oh, maybe Alex can go up the stairs.
Oh, wow.
Wow, he did it!
He's up one step.
Now Rhea follow?
Rhea wants to do it.
Yeah.
Maybe be careful because I don't want him falling off.
2 steps. He just did it. Oh my gosh.
He's like, oh, I'm so high. What do I do now?